breakfast sausage, Italian sausage, smoked sausage. Well, hang on. What is it? Why does it taste so good? But are you aware of what goes into its making? Its history and what is it all about? Well, let me explain to you what it is all about. Please subscribe to this channel. Sausage is a type of cured meat that is made by stuffing a mixture of ground meat, spices, and other ingredients into a casing, including animal intestines, synthetic materials, or even vegetables. History of sausage. Sausage has been around for over 5,000 years, with evidence dating back to 3100 BC. Sumerians in Mesopotamia are believed to have created the first sausages by pasting meat seasoned with salt into cleaned animal intestines as seen in wall carvings. History of sausage. From preservation to culinary delight, the origins of sausage can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where it was used as a way to preserve meat. Sausage making has been a traditional method of food preservation for centuries. In the past, sausage makers salted scraps of various tissues and organs, including blood, meats, and fat to help preserve them. These ingredients were then stuffed into tubular casings made from cleaned animal intestines, resulting in the iconic cylindrical shape of sausages. Over time, different regions developed their own types of sausages, often using local ingredients, herbs, and spices. Sausages have remained a beloved culinary specialty, whether eaten fresh or dry to varying degrees. Today, sausages are enjoyed in many different cultures and cuisines around the world. One of the most popular types of sausage is the hot dog, which is a type of sausage that is typically served on a bun with condiments such as ketchup and mustard. Other popular types of sausage include Italian, bratwurst, chorizo, and kielbasa. Sausages can be made from a variety of meats, including beef, pork, chicken, turkey, and now even vegetarian and vegan options are available. Today, sausage is enjoyed around the world, and there are countless varieties available. From spicy chorizo to savory bratwurst, sausage remains a popular food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Whether grilled, baked, or fried, sausage is a versatile food that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dinner. In the meat industry, sausages are prepared using a combination of traditional methods and modern technology. The first step in preparing sausages is to grind the meat and mix it with other ingredients such as spices, herbs, salt, and water. This mixture is then stuffed into casings made from animal intestines or synthetic materials. The casings are twisted into links to create sausages of different lengths. According to industrial processing method, sausages are formed in many different ways. Some of them are cooked and smoked, fresh, uncooked, smoked, dry or fermented, semi-dry, mold ripened. Smoking is a traditional method of cooking sausages that involves hanging them in a smokehouse and exposing them to smoke from burning wood or other materials. This process gives the sausages a distinct smoky flavor. Different methods of cooking sausage. Boiling method. Boiling is another common method of cooking sausages. The sausages are cooked in water at a low temperature until they are fully cooked. Grilling method. Grilling is a popular method of cooking sausages that involves cooking them over an open flame or on a grill. Frying method. It is a popular cooking method that brings out the savory flavors of this classic meat. It involves heating a skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat and frying it until done. Sausages are a popular food item all over the world and are made with a variety of meats and spices. Here are some of the different types of sausages available. Bratwurst. It is a German sausage made with pork, beef, or veal, and is flavored with caraway, nutmeg, or ginger. It is a favorite among meat lovers for its savory taste and unique texture. Chorizo sausage. It is a spicy sausage that is commonly found in Spanish, Mexican, and Portuguese cuisines. It is made with pork and is flavored with paprika, garlic, and chili powder. The sausage is often dried and cured, giving it a distinct flavor and texture. Italian sausage. This sausage is mainly made with pork, but now you can get with other meat also and is flavored with fennel and garlic. It is commonly used in Italian-American dishes such as pasta and pizza. What makes Italian sausage unique is its distinctive seasoning blend. Fennel seeds, garlic, and paprika are among the most common spices used to flavor the sausage. The seasoning gives the sausage a slightly sweet and savory taste that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Toxic chemicals present in sausage. There are a few chemicals that are used in its preparation that can be toxic to humans if consumed in large quantities. One such chemical is sodium nitrite. Sodium nitrite is used as a preservative and to give it the characteristic pink color. However, if consumed in large quantities, it can lead to the formation of carcinogenic compounds known as nitrosamines in the body, which can increase the risk of cancer. Monosodium glutamate (MSG). It is another potentially harmful chemical used in sausage preparation. MSG is used as a flavor enhancer in many processed foods, including sausages. It is noted that some people are sensitive to MSG and may experience headaches, flushing, and other symptoms after consuming it. Finally, some sausages may contain high levels of sodium, which can be harmful to individuals with high blood pressure or other health conditions. Consuming too much sodium can lead to water retention, high blood pressure, and other health problems. On the contrary, while small amounts of these chemicals are generally considered safe for consumption, it is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with consuming large quantities of sausages or other processed meats. In conclusion, sausages are a popular food item enjoyed by people all around the world. Sausages are a versatile food that can be eaten on their own or used as an ingredient in other dishes. They are also a good source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. However, it is important to note that not all sausages are created equal. Some sausages may be high in fat, sodium, and preservatives, which can be detrimental to one's health if consumed in excess. It is important to choose sausages that are made from high-quality, lean meats and to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Overall, sausages can be a delicious and satisfying food item when enjoyed in moderation and as part of a healthy lifestyle. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription means a lot.